What's stopping you from reaching your Christmas dream?
I have been suffering for years now from insomnia, and I had tried everything under the sun.
Wow, when you have migraines 15 to 25 days a month, it severely impedes on your activity. It affects everything, which is why I knew I needed to do something about it or be bedridden.
Well, I was having difficulty focusing, being able to get out and about because I was worried about fainting or having headaches or anything like that while I was out on my own. I didn't feel like I could be independent without having something change.
Sports injuries were keeping me from being able to work out. I love to work out, and pain was kind of holding me back.
At Achieve Integrative Health, we're on a mission to bring back the joy and wonder of the holiday season. This year, let's make your Christmas dreams come alive by restoring your organs' function and nurturing your body, mind, and spirit through our holistic approach. Let's make this holiday season truly unforgettable.
I can say that it improved my quality of life in as much as that I wake up in the morning. I'm happy after a good night's rest, and anybody who's ever suffered from insomnia will feel with me. The acupuncture, along with the herbal medicine, really had me sleeping sometimes 10 hours at night, but for sure many days, and gradually I sleep all week.
Well, I can actually get out and walk around and enjoy living my life without having to worry about fainting on the ground or just having terrible headaches where I can't focus on being able to read or draw or anything, things that I enjoy.
Wake up in the morning without a headache is fantabulous. I have a lot more energy, I'm sleeping better, and of course I'm pain-free much of the time, which is a great asset.
The most surprising part of my journey with this has been my mental health. I didn't realize how much my pain was holding me back from just sleeping well, feeling like I want to eat better, feeling like I want to take better care of myself. It's just kind of completely changed my outlook on self-care.
Don't just celebrate. Create lasting memories and cherish every moment. Let Achieve Integrative Health be your partner in restoring Christmas dreams this holiday season. Visit achieveintegrativehealth.com to get started.